Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question today, and this question is from the topic series. Yes. So let's see how to solve this question. Here we are given a series and we need to find the sum of this series. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I will be writing these terms in a different way. I will be writing these terms in a different way. Let's see how. So first of all, 3 by 1 square minus 2 square. What I will be writing it as? I will be writing it as 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. See, these two terms are exactly same. Why? Let's simplify this to understand. I can write this as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So if I take the LCM and find the difference of these fractions, I will get 3 by 4. Yes. Now please check this term. You will get 3 by 4 from here. Yes. And you are getting 3 by 4 from here as well. That means these two are same. Yes. Similarly, let's look at the second term. 5 by 2 square minus 3 square. Correct. I can write this as 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. Now these two are exactly same. Let's simplify this to understand. This will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9, which will give us 5 by 36. Now please look here. You are getting 5 by 36 from, sorry, this is not minus, this is multiply. My bad. This is multiply, okay? So this is 5 by 36 only. Yes, this is 5 by 36 and we are getting 5 by 36 from here as well. That means these two are same. We are just writing it in a different way. Yes. So let's write the whole series in a different way. So I can write it as 1 upon 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. Like this, it goes on, right? The interesting part is there is no end term. There is no end term here, right? There is no last term. That means this last term will go on till infinity. Yes, this will go on till infinity. Correct. Now, if it goes on till infinity, my last term will be definitely a negative term. Why? If you look carefully, in whenever I broke every term, the second part is always a negative number. Yes. See, minus half square, minus 1 by 3 square, minus 1 by 4 square, right? Now, similarly, the last term will be a negative number and the denominator will be a very large number because no last term is given to us. That's why I'm assuming it to be a very large number. As you can see, the denominator goes on increasing. Yes. Now, there is one very interesting thing that is happening here. If you look at minus half square and plus half square, they will add up to 0. Similarly, minus 1 by 3 square and plus 1 by 3 square will turn out to be 0. Similarly, all the terms will get cancelled out except two terms. The first term, except the first term, and except the last term. These two terms will be left out. That means if I simplify this, I will be getting 1 by 1 square minus 1 by large number square. This will turn out to be my final answer. Yes. Now, what will be the value of this term? 1 by large number square. For this, we will go back to basics of fractions. For that, let me erase this part that is given here. Let me just erase this. Okay. So let's go to basics. Let's say I have a fraction 1 by 1. Then I have a fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Like this, I go on and I have a large number at the end. Yes. Now, what happens? As the denominator increases, the value of fraction decreases. Yes, the value of fraction decreases. Now, just imagine if I do square of each one of them, if I square each one of them, the value, the last fraction will be even more smaller. Yes or no? The large number square will be, this fraction will be even more smaller. That means, let's say this large number. large number square is, let's say, I'm assuming it to be 9999999 like this. It's a huge number and square. So don't you think this will be almost equal to 0? This will be almost equal to 0, not exactly 0, but almost equals to 0. Yes, that's why I will assume this term as 0. That means this will be 1 by 1 square is 1. This is almost 0. That means 1 minus 0, which will give us 1. That means the final answer, the sum of this series is 1. This is our final answer. So which option is giving us the correct answer? A option. This is the correct option. I hope you understood it well, and see how useful are the basics of fractions that we have learned in junior classes. Yes, if you enjoyed the solution, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.